how can they change how they do business below 30 today?
After months of uncovering questionable banking practices in the city of Dallas, specifically those unfairly impacting minority and low-income residents in certain neighborhoods,
we've talked with the banking community here.
City leaders are now considering a responsible banking ordinance, or what's called an RBO.
I want to thank WFAA's reporting the Banking Below 30 investigation.
The City Council's Economic Development Committee was briefed on the proposed ordinance on Monday. If passed, the RBO would require any bank looking to bid for the job of taking the city's deposits provide data on its socially responsible banking practices.
We are a customer, an employer, and a steward of taxpayer money, so I think this is absolutely the right move.
Based on the troubled banking history in Dallas and WFAA's series showing many banks choose not to make loans or do meaningful business in some low-income communities, the proposed ordinance would make the bank submit data of its lending practices to the city.
As a city, I believe we have to set the tone.
The banks would also be required to provide details on its long-term community investment strategies and report on efforts to invest in low and moderate income areas.
We all know that these banking policies happen because of institutionalized racism.
Some other cities across the country have adopted versions of responsible banking ordinances. John Heasley is general counsel with Texas Bankers Association. He's been consulting with city staff on behalf of its members.
I think that there's a fair amount of data to show that the banks and the FDIC-insured institutions in the city of Dallas and in Dallas County are trying to do the right thing.
Moving forward, some city council members say they'd like to see this process more inclusive of community members. The entire council could take up this proposed ordinance again May 25th. In Dallas, I'm Damon Fernandez.